afternoon. My name is Kelly and I'm a Youth Services Librarian with the Bethlehem Area Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. So the first thing you're going to need is an 8x11 sheet of paper. You can use any color, you can also decorate it beforehand. So we're just going to fold this the long ways in half. And then unfold it, turn it, and then fold it down. Then you're going to bring the corners in to the center line that you created before, like this. Then you're going to fold the sides up, flip it over, and do the same thing. And then you're going to pick it up and fold this side over like this, and like this. So you just fold these tabs down like this. And then we're going to open it up, which you can see like this, using the lines here to help guide it. And we're going to turn it into a square, right like that. And then we're going to fold this up. Turn it to the other side and fold it up again. Fold it into a square again. See, just opening it up like this. And then you can just pull these out. We have a little boat that's all ready to sail. As you can see, the boat floats on the water. And you can make it sail just by blowing on it. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good night.